Today, we're going to talk about a very important word, apologizing. Apologizing means saying you are truly sorry when you have done something wrong. When you apologize, you are showing that you are taking responsibility for your actions and feelings. It also shows that you want to make things right with your friends and family. If you have accidentally hurt someone's feelings or made a mistake, it's really important to say sorry. You can simply say, "I am sorry," and then explain what you did wrong. When someone apologizes to you, it's kind to listen carefully and try to understand why they are sorry. You can respond by saying, "Thank you for apologizing," or "It's okay." Apologizing is a wonderful way to mend friendships and show how much you care about others. So, next time you realize you've made a mistake, remember to say, "I am sorry," and make things right.